Have you ever wondered if your deepest heartbreaks are actually secret signals from above? What if the universe, or God, is conspiring to shatter your comfort? Not to break you, but to unlock something extraordinary. Most people miss this hidden twist, staying stuck in regret. But today, one tiny bird story might reveal the shocking plan behind your pain. Stick around. The answer could change everything. Here's the mind-bending paradox that'll flip your world. The safest places in life are often the most dangerous traps. Sounds insane, right? We cling to our cozy routines like lifelines, but what if they're silently suffocating your potential? Without chaos, there's no growth. Think of diamonds forged under pressure, or butterflies bursting from cocoons. Your brain might fight this, but hold on. This little bird's tale proves it, leaving you questioning every secure spot in your life. Picture this, tucked away in misty ancient mountains, far from the chaos of cities, loomed a forgotten temple. Cracked marble walls draped in emerald moss, a courtyard hushed like a held breath. At its core dangled a colossal bronze bell, etched with faded mysteries, silent for decades, once echoing calls to prayer, now a dusty shadow ignored by the world. One curious sparrow spotted what no one else did. The bell's shadowy hollow, a fortress cool against summer blaze, warm amid winter storms, invisible to predators. This is my unbreakable sanctuary, she chirped, weaving twigs, feathers, and dreams into a perfect nest. Dawn songs of joy, twilight sighs of peace, she whispered. Nothing can reach me here. But was this safety? Or a gilded cage? The gap widens. What hidden danger lurked in her perfect home? Fate doesn't knock, it strikes. Soft footsteps shattered the silence as wandering monks rediscovered the temple. They dusted relics, scrubbed stones, and gazed at the bell. Time to awaken it, summon the faithful once more. Oblivious, the sparrow snuggled in. Then, boom, a thunderous ring exploded, vibrations tearing her world asunder. Twigs splintered, feathers whirlwinded. She bolted in panic, spiraling the courtyard. Why me? What cruel twist is this? Her haven turned traitor, hurling her into an abyss of fear. Curiosity pulls. Could this devastation hide a gift? Wings leaden, spirit crushed. She roamed shattered valleys, thorned perches, leaf-sheltered nights. Nothing fit. Hunger clawed, despair whispered surrender. Is this the end? Yet, a faint inner spark urged. Fly on. What if paradise waits just beyond? Trailing a silvery stream's call, she pierced a concealed glade. Sunbeams pirouetting through verdant canopies, berry-laden bushes bursting with sweetness, robust branches cradling like arms, a bubbling brook singing serenity. This eclipses my wildest dreams. Rebuilding grander, sturdier, she epiphanied. That ring didn't do me. It liberated me from a dim prison. Loss morphed to launchpad, fear to freedom. The gap closes. Your endings might be divine detours. Now, zoom in on you. Your trials aren't random curses. They're elite invitations. Proof you're destined for more than mundane. Society dubs you victim, but you're the unsung hero, forged for epic comebacks. That firing? A shove toward your true calling. That split? Fuel for unbreakable bonds. Ditch the broken label. Claim your core. A divine favorite. Resilient phoenix primed for glory. God saves the toughest tests for his brightest stars. Feel that shift? Unlock the forbidden wisdom elites guard. God's blueprint isn't chaos, it's a masterful reroute, veiled from quitters clutching control. But you're initiated now. Every slammed door whispers not this, something superior. To harness it, embrace this sacred ritual, exclusive to the awakened. Dawn breaks. Stand serene for 5 breaths. Eyes shut, inhale destiny, exhale doubt. Affirm, I release chains. I embrace the grander design. Scribble a past failure. Reframe as blessed pivot, not for the faint-hearted. Only visionaries transforming scars to stars. Act now. Watch miracles unfold. Like our sparrow, your upheavals aren't accidents. They're heavenly hooks pulling you to abundance. Trust the plot twist. Soar boldly. Your Eden beckons. Resonated? Smash like if you're claiming your upgrade. Comment your bell-ringing moment below. Did a loss lead to gold? Subscribe for more paradigm-shifting tales. Share to ignite someone's spark. Your epic rewrite starts now.